Hello and welcome to Oaths. Let's learn how to play.
今はミニミニストップ一休み。今日はひとまず一休み。明日はいいことあるように。学生の皆さん。
後は青空色駆け出せばいい嘘つき確率論とか1プラス1が無限とか教えてくれた君と探しに行こう春町グローバー。
So I hit 5-digit about 3 days ago now. And as you can see, the title is 7-digit to 5-digit in 2 months. And you can see this is a period of 70 days, which is just over 2 months. But I actually played for about 3 months. So it took me a month to... This day when I went from 1.4 million is when I discovered PP. I discovered how it works. Because before I was kind of just playing for passes, as you could see in the video. I would just... Because I actually got my first 6-star pass before I even got my first 3-star FC. I'm like, wow, I'm like gaining ranks pretty fast. So I decided to farm for a bit because that's what I enjoyed. I enjoyed to see my rank go up. And then I stopped for a bit. And here, I'm pretty sure I was on vacation right here, or I didn't play for a couple days here. But then I came back. Oh, I tried to switch to tablet. I've actually bought a tablet after like 3 weeks of playing. Because, I mean, this whole time I'm playing mouse only. And I kept seeing things saying mouse only is not viable. No one plays mouse only. People were telling me to just not play mouse only. Like, that's something that you stop doing after the first day of playing. But I just could not get used to keyboard. And so I tried a tablet. And there was no... I just hated it. And immediately... Or I came back to farming. And immediately went up to from 500k to 300k. And this is when I had a crazy night. I got like my first 200s in one day. I got like, before this day, I didn't have a single 150. And then after this, I had multiple 200s. So, and then here, 120k, I got so burnt out. I was farming basically every day for 2 months straight, and I pretty much just gave up and I started playing easy mod. And I'm pretty good at easy mod now, but for like someone who's been doing it for a month. From 31 days ago to 5 days ago, these ranks were gained without farming. So that it really like I went from 7-digit to 200k in 20 days, and then from 200k to 100k in 50. So my progress did slow down. Once I realized that I was at like only 8,000 ranks till 5-digit, I just locked in. I realized that I could do DT Harimachi, and as you guys saw, that's exactly what I did. I think I literally got like 10 or 15, nah, more than that. Top Harimachi plays from that. And anyway, Harimachi, blah blah. Then I got 5-digit. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more on this channel.